Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. We are back with the rest, or shall I say the last four of the Jeffree Star Summer 2021 mystery boxes, and we're going to zoom through these because we opened the other ones yesterday. It went up, and I'm assuming they're a lot of the same. I'll be opening anything that is different, but let's go ahead and jump right in, guys. So actually on my eyes, I do have the new Star Ranch palette, and I don't love it. I'll talk to you guys about it as we go through this, but it doesn't quite work the same to me as the rest of his palettes. Like the shimmers are kind of weak. You guys know what the inside looks like. Alright, so we did get on different. Alright guys, so let's see what gloss this is. This is Peach Price Tag. And I do already have Peach Price Tag, so I'm going to put this to the side. This is what she looks like. It's a beautiful peach with like green shimmers inside. Alright, so that means you guys have already seen me swatch it somewhere else. And then I do have a new liner, and this is in Cold Digger, I believe? Cold Digger. Like a Gold Digger. Oh, it's a brown. Nice. I do love browns, so I'm excited about that. This is what the brown looks like. A very smooth to go on like the rest of them. So I have the neon green now, and I have this brown. I do hope he comes out with a lot more colors, as like brown black is kind of, easy to do. Why is this box like didn't want to go back together? All right, guys. And then the next two items I have in here are two single shadows in Suck and Cutie. Now I did end up making some palettes from the last one. Like you'll see, we get these palettes in here, and I think that I don't have either of these colors in here. So interesting. Two new colors. And then we saw this yesterday. This is the, I can show you guys. Oh, this is the liquid lip. Okay. I actually don't want to open this because I am doing a giveaway, and if anybody wants that particular shade, you can check out my giveaway in my last video. If anybody wants that particular shade, I don't want to open it and like ruin it, so I'm actually going to leave that be. You can check out the color in my last video. If you haven't seen that video, I would say go check that one out first, so you can come to this one and catch up on any new products. But for the most part, all of the products that we're going to be seeing, I think for the most part, are from there. I haven't looked at anything yet though, so who knows. So this is the next one. This is called the Premium, and I believe this was $60. And as you can see, this is what it looks like right inside. We do have another sorbet. It is the rainbow sorbet. As I was calling it yesterday, the J palette. We've got three other shadows in here. We have Priceless, Root Canal, and Snack. So I believe out of all of these, Snack is the only one that is a repeat, which is pretty cool. We again have the Star Ranch palette. And then I don't think I have, oh yeah, I don't. Okay, I do not have this. This is the Slime Glossin. This is the one with Shane Dawson and the Conspiracy palette. It was the green one that a lot of people had problems with because they say it looks like there's mold in it. And I do want to open it up and actually check that out myself, having the same problem with my nails. If you saw my old video, or my last video, not old, it was like yesterday. Okay, I don't know how else to get this out. Okay, so this is the color. It is a clear gloss, and it's just clear, so I'm not really going to swatch it, but everybody's worry was like the green on that, and I really just think that everybody's doing a lot, because to me it just seems like it's the coloring of the gloss, and it's just building up at the bottom. Now, could I be 100% wrong? Absolutely, but that's just what it seems like to me, so I'm choosing not to make the biggest deal about it. I think it's just that the dye that they put in there, did in fact build at the bottom. And so this is Cowboy Kiss. I did swatch this yesterday as well. This is a tinted lip balm. And again, I think this was a great box, especially for its value. I just got most of it. So like I said, if you haven't already checked it, check that one out. And then check this one out after. But I'm happy that I got the Shane gloss one. So this is the next one. Wow, assaulted me. That's cute. Okay, so it comes pink like this. Take this off of it. Does that not seem rather light? Alright, let's just look real quick. I don't remember how many it's supposed to have in, so I'll have to recount. There's nothing in the paper here, but whatever. Let's just see what's going on. So I have this color Flourishing, which I do not believe I had yesterday. Extraction, which I know I had yesterday. And then Ice Tray, which I know I did not have yesterday as well. Then we again have the Star Ranch palette and the J palette. We have the Velour Liquid Lip Scrub in Pink Grapefruit. We have Beaded Glass in the gloss, and I'm pretty positive I have that. I just want to double check. I'm like fighting things over here. Yes, I do. So Beaded Glass looks like this up close, and I will pull this out so you guys can get a good look of what the shimmer actually looks like. Okay, so beautiful color. I do already have it. So wait, that's one for here, one for the palette, one for the Z palette, one for the Velour Liquid Lip Scrub, one of this. 4 products, 5 products, 6 products. How many products was it supposed to have in it? Because I feel like I'm missing a lot here. Let me know down below what I'm missing here. I have the Bloodstain, I have the Grapefruit, I have the gloss, I have this, counts as 1, so 4, and then 5, 6, and then as you can see, so there's nothing left. But even with that, that still feels light. As you guys will know, I did on my last video get this as well, so check that out. It's very bright green. I don't want to ruin it and swatch it. Somebody, what am I missing? Let me know, because I know I'm missing something. Let me know down below. So next, we have the, what was this called? The Supreme in a size medium. Oh, I forgot I wanted to wear my shirt. It is like 4 in the morning here, to be real with you, so bear with me. So we did get this popsicle mirror, and I don't really want to mess this up again. I don't know what I'm doing with this, so I don't want to mess it up. If you check out my old video, you can see what that's like. I actually closed my other one up as well. So, actually, yeah, give me one sec. I'm like falling over. Alright, so this one's actually open still, I just saw, so let me pull this out for you guys so you can actually get a glimpse of it instead of just talking about it. This is what it looks like if you have not seen it yet. Beautiful, I love it, I'm excited to get it. Part of me wants to keep the second one and bling it out. I really don't know exactly what I'm doing. You guys might have seen before that I blinged out one of my other ones. So I'm not really sure, but I'm happy that I got it. I think it's beautiful. All right, guys. So that is her. I'm going to put her back over here in her hiding space. This is what it looks like under that. It has a red paper. We're going to take that paper out. It has the medium shirt. I'm probably going to be selling this on my Macari. So you can look up my Macari. I believe it's just I Am Jessica Gray. You're going to see a lot of the other stuff that I have on there is also Jeffree Star products. And then I have the color Bite Me, which I don't feel like I got yesterday as well. I have Mint Condition, which I did get. And then I have Blood Sugar, which I also did get. And Mint Condition is right here. And then Extraction is right top here as I stick my nail in it. Yes. Alright guys, and then, so we got those guys, we got another one of the J palettes, as I call them, we got another one of the Star Ranch palettes, we got another beach ball. Unfortunately, I'm sad, I was hoping to get another color of this. I did end up getting a repeat of the Extreme Frost. As most of us know, I did, obviously the palette is going to be Blood Money, and I do have the Blood Money, let's see, let's get some of this back. I did also get the Velour Lip Scrub again, and the Candy Necklace, which I believe everybody got. Oh, I got a new liner in the color Dominatrix, which is cool because I believe I really like this color. I have it in the bullet lipsticks that he has. I forget what they're, oh my goodness, I don't know what they're called. Here, I'll just grab it. I do have it right here in the Velvet Trap. Dominatrix right here in the Velvet Trap. And then now I have the lip liner to go with it. Ooh, so hard to do this. Oh my goodness. So tricky. Alright guys, so this is what this looks like. I almost feel like it's going to look like this liner, I mean, right here. Oh no, wait, I think it's a little bit purpley. Oh no, they're literally like almost the same color. This is just slightly more red. So interesting. Okay, I'm now going to put that with my other liners. I next got again, the repeat of the Yak, I believe it is called. I got another one of these in Below My Candles, which is actually the gloss that I have on my lips currently right now. It is a little bit light. I had to darken out the outsides a little bit, and I'm not exactly sure what else I could do with it. So I actually have Heaven's Gates as well. So I really didn't get much of anything except for the one Shane Dawson lip, or the gloss, shall I say. It's a very pretty color. This is what it looks like, Heaven's Gates. It's a very pretty clear with white white sparkles inside. So yeah guys, that's what I got. I got a new Dominatrix lip liner, I got the gloss, and I got a couple new single shadows, and other than that, it's repeats on top of repeats, which hey, I cannot be mad at, as I knew what I was getting myself into. The story between why I got a whole nother set of boxes was accidental, so you know, it is what it is. A lot of this is going to go up on my Mercari, like I said. So if you're interested in something, comment down below. Maybe we can communicate outside of Mercari. And then also, like I said, we have the giveaway. Check out my last video for the giveaway information. And let me know what your favorite product is. And check the rest of it out, because there's more to it, and I don't want to give it away because you have to go watch that video. But all in all, I really still agree that these are amazing boxes. I had a great time unboxing them. I wish I would have got more things that I didn't have, but when you do this all the time, I feel like you're bound to really have boxes that repeat themselves. And like the fortunate thing is that the first time I unboxed in my last video, I got quite a few different things that I hadn't had, so I can't really complain too much. They are repetitive of, you know, the last boxes that I just opened yesterday. So what can I say? I am missing, I don't know, some stuff though. I know that if you guys know what it is, let me know. I'm going to have to watch some people's videos and try to figure that out for myself. As for the palette, again, I just felt like the shimmers weren't as much of a pop as they were before, and the other colors didn't blend as nicely as his typical formula. I don't know if it's just that I need to play with it a little bit more or what, but that's my feelings on it. So I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I know I'm super late to the game of being able to open my boxes. They just got here in the last 2 days, so there's really nothing I can do about them. I ordered them the second that they dropped, checked out the first minute, literally was checked out within the first minute. So I really don't know why they took so long to get here. It's kind of getting annoying to the point where I don't want to keep going with them if I'm going to get them this late, because they're getting them mainly for you. I have a ton of stuff, you know, but That and maybe Pink Religion will come in some of the upcoming boxes. I do feel certain ways about that. I'm not a big fan of people who use religion or backgrounds of other religions that are not really. I just feel like he's profiting off of others' religion. And even though it's like not my religion and I believe in God and higher self and higher power, like I just don't feel like it's right. And I'm sure I'll end up getting it in a box. So I'm just going to hold off on that one. I know a lot of you were super excited. You guys were talking back and forth on my comments earlier today. So I hope that everybody that was looking to get it did end up getting it. And I know for the Extreme Frost, those 3 in a row, that would be cool to get as well. But, you know, hey, I'm sure I'll see it in a box at some point, right, guys? All right. I love you all. Have a wonderful day or night wherever you are, and I will see you on the next time, guys. Light and love to all of you. Please unpack your emotions every day. Let's get back to mental health. The next video that I post, I want to be talking about some mental health things. I still have to unbox my Trend Mood, and that is actually a box that's going to be dropping soon for you guys to get if it's something you're interested in. So I'll be getting that out soon as well. Love you all. Have a wonderful night or day. Talk to you soon, guys. Mwah.